Now that I have your attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Ricky, and today I will be partaking in the $5 cosplay challenge. In the $5 cosplay challenge, you are challenged to only use $5 to create a cosplay creation. And today, I will be cosplaying as Black Panther. For those of you who don't know, Black Panther is a royal title given. There have been many Black Panthers, but the main one in the Marvel Comics history is T'Challa. He is the Black Panther. He is King of Wakanda, one of the most technologically advanced places in the world, and he is one of the top intellects and martial artists in the Marvel Universe. Not only that, but Black Panther as a character is credited with being the first black superhero to appear in mainstream comics. Like, that's huge. And if you'd like to learn more about Black Panther's history, you can actually watch my buddy Scott's video on it, and it's very good, very informative, and really cool. Step into the spotlight, whoo! So to create my cosplay creation, I will be using paper plates, poster board, and a sword. Now, in addition to your $5 worth of materials, you can use anything you already currently own. So I will be using these black leather gloves, this black windbreaker that I already own, silver and black duct tape, scissors, and my handy dandy stapler. Let's do this! Okay, first place I'm going to start is with the mask, I believe. I think that might be my biggest challenge. Boom, boom, ba-dum, boom. Woo! Ooh, okay. Easy, easy does it. Get around town. Come on. That looks rough. But I can see, that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna make the ears. Oh no, guys. I think he's gonna look more like a mouse than a panther. All right, how are we look? Well, it looks like something, all right. I'm gonna add some detail. Let's see if that will help it out. It's sticky to tape stuff to yourself and cut it up. It's sticky. Oh no, it's sticky, 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 sticky. Duct tape. Why are you so good at being taped? Coming along-ish. Oh, that's actually okay. I'm very happy at least that turned out well. Alright, so I'm just going to set the mask down for now and start working on the other accessories. So because cutting duct tape takes entirely too long, I'm going to duct tape the paper plate and then cut out the designs that I want. And hopefully that will go a lot smoother. Only future Ricky will know. Okay, this is going a lot smoother. Ooh. Okay, we are working with something. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna start working on the rest of the costume. The rest of the costume is mostly black anyway, so I'm gonna work on the gloves. That's where you come in. Now, the idea is to cut off these to make claws. So, hopefully this will work. Oh ho! Yeah! Oh, look at that. Look at that. Alright, same thing for the other glove. And because it was already shaped like a sword, it saved me a ton of time on having to shape the claws. Alright, it looks like I've made everything, and turns out I didn't need the poster board at all. So, this is only a $3 cosplay. Maybe I could have spent this money on buying a proper mask. Alright, so now, let's bring everything together. Okay, here we go! Oh ho ho! Yeah! Step into the spotlight! Woo! Black Panther! Look at that! Woo! 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 Oh my gosh, guys, I am so impressed. All the silvery things really brought it together. Doesn't look that bad with everything else. By itself, I don't know, but with it, okay, okay. Okay, so let me know how you think I did. Let me know how you think it turned out in the comments below. And I want to give a huge shout out to my patrons on patreon.com/Stewdippin. Thank you so much for supporting me and 100% funding this. Thanks for making this awesome. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ricky. I'm making fun, nerdy videos just like this right here on channel Stewdippin. And if you'll excuse me, I've got to go step into the spotlight. Woo! Straight out of Wakanda, crazy superhero Black Panther. Shake, 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 shake. Now, how to get these claws off? That's another thing.